In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from Earn to Spot in Binance. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you watch this tutorial from the start to the end to ensure that you don't get anything wrong, because if you do, it might not work and you don't want that to happen. You want everything to work properly. So first thing you need to do is go to Binance and obviously log in to your account. Now I'd recommend doing this on the browser version, not the phone version, because it will be a little bit easier. So once you've gone here, you can go up to the top and go to Wallet. Then we can go down to the Earn section here. And this is where you will have staked any assets or anything like that. So if you've got anything in here, it will show up here. So if you've staked some kind of coin or something like that and you've been earning from it, it will tell you the asset, it will tell you the amount, how much you subscribed for, all of these different things like that. Now, if you want to auto invest, you can go up here and you can set up auto investing, which will invest for you invest for you at a set time. So you can invest in any of these ones. But if you want to transfer the earnings that you've made from these ones, under the asset here, there'll be a thing at the end that says redeem. You can click on that button there. It's going to open up a window here, and it's going to say, do you want to redeem it? It's going to ask you how much you want to redeem, and it's going to ask you if you want to do it fast or slow. So hit fast, hit I accept at the bottom, put the amount in, and then you can click I accept or redeem or whatever the button will be, and from there it will redeem the money from the staking for you. That should be sent straight into your spot section here, so that you can transfer it or use it or do whatever you want with it. And that's how you do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.